Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to find and replace data in Google Sheets document. So let's start it. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video I will show find and replace data. Now going to the edit menu option. Now click for a find and replace option. Then any text, now for click, then click mouse right button, then click for copy, then click for again mouse right button option. Now click for a paste option. Now click for a tick mark mesh case. Now click for a find option. That's it. Then again another text find. Now going to the edit menu option. Now click for find and replace. Now click for text. Now click for it mesh case tick mark. Now click for find. That is. Now replace with it another text from type. Now click for a replace. That is. Now click remove the tick mark. Now click for replace. That is. Then issue find and replace in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.